How to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. So guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. So in order to do that, you first have to open up your Coinbase app. Once you open it up, all you need to do is tap on the Bitcoin option at the home screen. And once you tap on it here, you should be able to find an option or a pop-up that says buy, sell, or convert. Tap on buy crypto. Then once you tap on buy, you can just go ahead and select Bitcoin from here and enter the amount that you want to purchase. If you want to switch between dollars and Bitcoin, you can just use the arrow at the right side of your amount. And once you've entered that successfully, tap on buy now. And once you tap on it, it will show you a confirmation and you should be able to purchase Bitcoin from Coinbase. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.